Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you looking to add a custom code to your Wix website? This video will guide you throughout the process of inserting custom HTML or CSS or even JavaScript to enhance your site's functionality. Let's add a custom code to your Wix website today. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So the first thing guys that I will highly recommend you to do is to go ahead and open wix.com, go to your dashboard and make sure that you have an account or basically a website. The website can be easily created by going to create a new site, this blue button right here, clicking on it and doing some few steps. Now we already have a website, let's go ahead and open it. Once you open, you will wait for this dashboard to load and then it will open like that. Go to the top right corner and you will click on edit site. Right after that, you will be able to log into the page builder of Wix where you can build your website simply by dragging elements and putting them into your site's page. So let's wait for the page to load, and after that we will be able to find the menu right on the left. Now to add a custom code or an embed code as they call it here, you have to go first and let's start by going and adding a section into our site. Since there is already a template, we need some kind of space where we can add our code so it can be visible. Let's add a section right here by clicking on add section. Let's choose it to be a blank section so it can be totally blank, nothing in it, and here it is. Click on it and change the background color so it can be more visible. So I'm gonna choose the white color, or we can choose for example blue color or whatever color you want. Now after we chose the color, I'm going to click on this area right here, add elements, and I'm going to go all the way down to embed code. And as you can see here, there is several custom codes that you can add. There's the custom element, embed HTML, embed a site, and yeah, there is others of course that you can go for, but those are the main ones. Now for custom elements, you can simply just click on add or drag it, depending on what you want exactly. The custom element is basically something that you will not be able to use it unless you have the premium plan. Now as we go back, the premium plan is something that you have to pay for, which is basically a little bit pricey. Well, the premium plan depends on the way you are going to pay for it, but yeah, all of these are basically premium plans, so you have to really think about buying it before you click on buying it at the same plan. Now let's go back. I'm going to remove it since we don't have the premium plan, and basically you don't really need it for a custom code since basically an embed HTML is basically more than enough. So let's go here and let's drag it. If it doesn't work, simply just click on add and it will work something like that. Now here we can add a custom HTTP or basically HTML code, and it will be appearing in this area. So a custom HTML code can be something like, let me just go to a Google form. Let me just show you for example. There we go. I'm going to click on this form that I have already created. You can literally just use this embed code HTML that you can find on several softwares, copy it and paste it in here and it will work. Let me just show you how. Update, make this a little bit bigger, and this is basically a custom HTML. Let me show you another version. Let's open ChatGPT since I'm bad with coding. Let me just add here the element, which is the HTML, and in here write me a script in HTML about a table of food calories. There we go. We simply have to wait a little bit, and as you can see here, they are going, or the AI itself is going to manage to load for us a specific code that has a table with food and calories. It's even here giving us a couple of food that's can be shown as an examples at the beginning, but yeah, for now we simply have to wait for it until it finishes its work, and then we can be able to add it right here. So let's go ahead and click on copy code and go here and paste it, update, and make this as large as possible so it can be all visible. So as you can see, this is the actual thing. Now this is something that's basically pretty decent, but we need to add a couple of coloring into it. How to do so? Add some CSS styling to it. And as you can see, now it's gonna combine the HTML code that we had already, which is this one that comes out with this results, with some CSS coloring and styling, which will make it look much better and much attractive to the eye. You can even give it some kind of adjusting options, such like colors, so it can match the website color that you have, some kind of food that you want to have in this specific table, and what are the basically all the things that you want to be customized. You can literally just mention it to it, and the AI will literally put it right on point for you. So yeah, you just have to write it down and it will work. Copy code. Let me just remove it once more, and let's see this new result that we have. I'm gonna paste it. Don't forget, guys, make sure to go ahead and click on update. Once it is updated, you will find it right here. As you can see, it's been coloring the table. The table has become kind of bigger and larger when it comes to width and size. Let me just show you here. Here we go. We have here food calories. It looks like it's pretty decent. It's very much decent for now. Apple 95. There is like this gradient color, there's the green color in here. This title is basically in the middle. It has like a shadow behind this white thing, so it's very decent. It's not bad at all. And yeah, that is how you can use the HTML code, or basically any code, in your Wix websites. So it's very easy, guys. You just have to have some knowledge about HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, or if you don't have any knowledge, then you can just ask ChatGPT or any other AI that can provide you with any kind of a script. So these are the main things that you have to know about the embed code in Wix. So if you don't have any more questions, guys, or problems, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And one more notice that you have to make sure that it is turned on is when you come here to put in your HTML code, guys, do not forget that what you want to add has to be a code, not a website address, because if you write it like that and you paste it like an HTML code here, it will give you an error. So make sure that you have a code like that turned on, and it is HTML code with CSS. It's not Python. It's not like I don't know what other like languages are there, C++, I don't know what other languages can be written in here, but do not try to put any other language. Just HTML, CSS, JavaScript. That's all you can have. Maybe some PHP, but it will not work that much because it has to be connected to your servers and to your basically to your functions and variables and a lot of stuff that basically ChatGPT will not have the access to in Wix. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next tutorial.